Hi, my name is Charles Warburton. Welcome to Math 155. This video covers Module 1, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we're going to be observing the difference between a population and a sample. A population covers the entire group, while a sample only covers the subset. Let's talk about an example. So the example I want to talk about is, in April 2005, there was a survey conducted that wanted to know the opinions of all U.S. citizens. Let me correct that, all adult U.S. citizens, and they wanted to know the opinion of all U.S. adult citizens on the death penalty. Of course, we can't know all of the opinions of all the adults from the United States, so we have to take a sample. But first, realize, what is your population? It's all U.S. adults, a big population. You can't ask everybody, so we need a sample. So the sample was 1,082 U.S. adults. They collected the sample. They found that 65% were in favor of abolishing the death penalty. So from that sample, we can now take that sample, make an educated guess about the population. The data from the sample is called a sample statistic. We take that sample statistic to make an educated guess, sometimes called an inference, about the population. The data from the population is called a population parameter. So what we do is we take a sample statistic and make an educated guess or an inference about the population parameter. So take a look at Module 1, Lesson 1, and learn how a sample statistic can make an inference about the population parameter.